Hi folks, here's a quick tutorial in using the OptiPerformer software. Once you've installed it and opened it up, you should have a window that looks somewhat like this. So you can either go to the directory from the file open up here and find it, or as I regularly do, I just drag it from the folder and drop it on and it opens up. So in the window here, this is for lesson 1, you'll see we've got the layout of the circuit. So in order to run the simulation, it's push the button down the bottom here, and you'll see the simulation kicks off. So it does its stuff, and you'll note that as per the instructions, it's run itself through 5 times. Now these buttons here will step you through the 5 different iterations that it's run through. So, and you'll see over here it tells you what length the fibre is at that particular iteration. So in order to get your different numbers, you're going to have to step through the different runs, so out to 150. So we'll go back to the 50 and we'll have a look at the information. So to get the information out of here, you've got your circuit, so we can get the optical power out of there, which will show us our dBms, so minus 13.148, so that's showing us the power at that point in the system. And we've also got our bit error rate up the top here, so that is going to give us our nice graphic. So it's giving us our Q factor up here, which we'll be going through in the presentations. Now the thing that you want to look at is the eye diagram. So it's this checkbox here. Turn that on and off, and it gives you a really good view of how the particular link's looking from a power perspective. So you can look through all of the other characteristics of the system there that's under test. So so this here gives us our Q. It also gives us our thresholds up here, so we can see how good that link is. So again, if you move through the links as you see the link get further out, you'll notice that our Q is dropping down as the fibre length gets longer and longer. So we'll see the 3.1 up here, and we get out to 22 at the furthest end. So that's a very brief run through the interface and how it works. It's fairly simple graphics. It's down a Windows interface. So again, the user reference in there is pretty good. So hopefully you won't have too many issues. And again, there's a nice little report tab down the bottom here, which allows you to grab the information out. So there you go. Have fun. Enjoy.